You dare accuse me? Liar! Enough! Stop this madness! Peace till then!
The world had become completely corrupt. Violence filled the earth. Humanity had forgotten God. But one man was different. His name was Noah. While everyone else lived in chaos, Noah still walked with God. Then God gave him an impossible command. Build an ark, a massive ship in the middle of dry land. People laughed. They mocked him. But Noah kept building, day after day, year after year. Then one day, the sky changed. Dark clouds gathered. Rain began to fall. And it didn't stop. The flood covered the earth. But inside the ark, Noah and his family were safe. Because when the world ignored God, one man chose to listen. If you enjoy powerful Bible stories like this, subscribe and follow for the next one.